This model kit reviews of the F-105D, the T-Stick, and this is the Thunder Chief. This is a supersonic fighter bomber. This model kit is by Revell, and it is a 1/48 scale model. Here you can see the dimensions as well as the colors needed. And we have a picture of the finished model there, as well as some additional pictures. And two different versions there. Let's have a look inside here. First of all, we have our canopy, which is nicely molded. We have the two fuselages. This shows you how large this plane was. We have a lot of surface detail. Unfortunately, almost all of it's raised, which is common with Revell. But we do have a lot of surface detail here. The back side of the wings there. Let's have a look on the inside. Minimal details there for the cockpits, or for that one. Let's have a look at our sprue. Here. So our first one, here we have the wings, and we have wheels, a fair amount of detail, some landing gear parts. This looks like the stabilizer parts here. Here's the back of the engine, our nose, additional landing gear parts here. Here's our exhausts and the cockpit. As you can see, there's actually a reasonable amount of detail there. Here's our central fuel tank, fairly well molded. I don't see much in the way of mold lines or flashing on the parts. Little bits here and there. All these bombs. Here are pylons. Here's the other bomb. Oh, sorry, a fuel tank. And our injection seats. Here are our wings. We have two pilots. Fair amount of detail here, even in these wheel wells. That part's trying to come off. Let's have a look at our instructions, and decals should be in here as well. So there are the colors needed again. We start off with the cockpit, and that's put into the fuselage. Also the nose wheel well. And the wing brace is shown in place. Fuselage put together, exhaust is put in, and the stabilizers are put on. Next we have the different air brakes there. Air intakes being put on. And we have the wings put together. Those are then put in place. Then our landing gears put in place. Next we have our wheel covers and the pylons, additional body parts going on. Nose is being put in place. Nose landing gear. And we have our fuel tanks and bombs. And then the central bomb cluster. And lastly the pilot and canopy. Now here also we have the paint and decal guide. Here's the other option. Okay, here are our decals. And as you can see, there's a fair amount of detail there. Very nicely printed. So all in all, this is a typical Revell kit, but one of the better ones.